Hey everyone, in this video we're going to talk about comments in HTML. Comments are a great way to add notes and reminders to your code without affecting the way the page is displayed in the browser. Starting with the HTML boilerplate code and live server started, let's add a comment to our code. Comments are added using the less than sign followed by exclamation mark and two dashes, and they are closed with two dashes and a greater than sign. Anything in between the two dashes will not be displayed in the browser. In your browser, you should only see the heading "Lots of comments" displayed on your page. The comment we added earlier is not displayed in the browser, but it can be seen in the HTML code if you view the page source. Now let's try commenting out the heading. In your browser now, you should see that the heading is no longer displayed on your page. This is because we've commented out the code that displays it. That's it for this video. Comments are a simple but powerful tool in HTML, and they can help you keep your code organized and easy to read. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.